In this video, I will show you how to create a full backup of your website. If you do a full backup of your website, you will get your complete website including subdomains and emails. So if this is what you want, then keep watching. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. Now, why do you want to make a full backup of your website? 1. To just have a backup of your site in case something happens to your server or even the website itself. 2. Maybe you want to move your website to a different web hosting provider. So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can achieve this. I'm using GoDaddy hosting, but it's the same for every web hosting provider. So let's get into it. So to do this, I need to log into my cPanel, and since I'm using GoDaddy, I need to go to my products. But if I cannot find it here, I go over to my name, hover on it, and from the drop down list, I choose my products. And from here, I go to web hosting and click on manage. From here, I go ahead and click on cPanel admin, and it will open in a new tab. And this will take me to my cPanel dashboard. Under files, I go ahead and click on backup. From here, you can choose the backup you want to make, but for this tutorial, I'm going to make a complete backup. So under full backup, I go ahead and click on download a full account backup. Under backup destination, I leave it as home directory. And under email address, I enter the email address where I want to be alerted when the backup is completed. Then I go ahead and click on generate backup. Now full backup is in progress, and once it is completed, I'll receive an email in the email address I've specified. So now I need to wait patiently for the completion email. Now my email has arrived. It took a couple of minutes. I just go ahead and click on it to open. And in here, I can click on this link to take me to the backup, or I'll go back to my cPanel, click on back, and right here is my full backup. You can just click on it to download it, or maybe something happened and you logged out, you can go back to the cPanel dashboard, then click on backup, then go ahead and click on download a full backup, and right here is my complete backup. I can go ahead and click on it to download. I choose save file, then I go ahead and click on OK. And now my download is started right here. So that's it on how to create a full backup of your website. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.